So the top 3 ways to engage on Facebook, okay? Number 1, you need to like, you need to react. If you're not liking and reacting to comments, then you're not doing the most basic fundamental thing that you could be doing on Facebook to help your engagement, and that is liking and reacting. Number 2, you want to leave a comment. You want to join the engagement. Leave some value, okay? This is what's ultimately going to help you to connect with people, okay? And number 3, send selfie videos. Send a selfie video just like this, okay? Pop out your phone, okay? I got mine right here, okay? Pop out your phone. Use your phone's native camera app to record the video, because if you use Facebook, Facebook limits you to 15 seconds. So use your phone, record it, all right? Record it out, and then show the scenery for where you're at, all right? And then send it to them in Messenger, and you will have a fantastic way of connecting with somebody, okay? So that's the top 3 ways to connect on Facebook.